Look at the goats, Oakley. You see the goats? Bah.
You like hay? You like that?
You like the goats, Oakley? Go bah. He's eating grass.
Yeah. Look what's in there.
All right, what's he eating?
He gets grass.
You eat grass too, Cash?
No! Oh, where's this one? Oh, there. Oh, there. Oh, there. I don't want to see them down there.
They're goats, Oakley.
Oh. Yeah, go sit.
What sound does a chicken make?
Whoa. Huh?
It's Oakley. It's the chickens.
They're chickens.
What, you trying to scare it, Oakley? Oakley, look at it.
Why he eating him? He eating his shell.
Is he eating that?
Yeah, no, he eating his shell. Look.
He's eating himself?
Yeah.
What?
It's cat.
We found a farm cat. It's a kitty, Oakley.
Don't bite me. Don't bite me.
That looks like a nice cat, Cash. It's coming by you.
He wants you to pet him.
Pet him.
Are you sure they want me? Look at the kitty.
It's a farm kitty.
Look at the kitty.
Okay, look. Come here, the
Kitty.
kitty.
Hi, Puppy.
Pet the kitty.
Oh, he got that foot. Oh, now he. Oh, he's so cute.
Baby, don't touch the cash because those things, it looks kind of gross.
Oh, yeah. Oh, baby.
It's a cow.
Baby cow.
Moo.
He's a cow.
We got.
That cow in
Oh, these are pigs.
here. Hey. Oh.
Whoa.
We scared them.
You scared them, Cash.
Those are piglets. They're baby piggies.
Picky.
Oink, oink. Make a sound.
Aw.
You see the piggies?
Watch out, Cash.
Oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink.
What's the pig make sound?
Look at me.
Oink, oink.
Look at me and put your arms down.
And go oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
Moo.
Uh-huh.
Moo. Cash, the cat's following us. The cat likes you. Keeps on following us.
Oh, look in there.
Yep. You like this farm?
Yeah.
Come here for Dad's birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Horsey.
Is it dark inside there, Cash?
Yeah.
Horsies, Oakley.
And then she's getting all mad because she wants to ride a horsey. But not.
Giant tunnel slide. Of course, he's gonna go down it. You go down it?
Yeah.
That's a big slide.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. You did it. Here. See you, Mama.
3, 2, 1.
Are you ready, Oaks?
Okay, hold on. Let me get
Hold on,
in
Ma.
first. Come here. No. Oakley, get back here.
Hey.
Come here. Get out of the way,
1,
Ryan.
2, go. I don't go that fast. Dude. You did it, Oakley.
There you go.
You did it. Are you a pumpkin?
No.
Or are you the farmer? What does the farmer say? Old MacDonald, sing Old MacDonald.
Yeah. On it down a high flag. E-I-E. Okay, done.
You done? You're on the hay, Oakley.
Yeah.
You want to hang from this rope? Ready?
Pull on me.
Tell Daddy to do it.
Daddy.
Okay, just hang on. You got it?
Push you?
Or you fall.
See, that's what the
You
hay's
fell.
for. So if you fall,
Yeah.
you don't hurt yourself.
Ready?
Behind me.
Ooh.
You fell off.
Do 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 do.
I'm not gonna hold you.
Go.
Daddy, hold me.
No, just do it yourself.
Go.
Daddy, hold me.
Go.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Do it.
Well, you fall in the hay. You don't hurt yourself in the
Hay's
hay.
not gonna hurt you.
Go.
Just go.
One, go. Let's jump. What? Ooh. Good job.
That wasn't a graceful landing. All right, sit and wait for Ellie.
Cash, come on.
Wait for her. She's a slow fall.
Okay, hang on to your sister. Cash, look at me.
Get on, Cash.
Oh, looks like we have some more riders.
Pumpkins
Yeah,
for Oakley. Yeah.
Gonna stop for a pumpkin?
Yeah.
You want a pumpkin, Oakley?
Okay.
You see more horses, Oak?
Oh, look at the white one. Look at the pony.
Does it also go sound?
No.
No.
The Coleman.
Yeah, corn.
In those boxes?
Let's see how it.
Let's go over here, Cash.
You looking for a pumpkin, Oak?
No, let's go over here. Or do you want to go over there?
I'll go over here.
I'll follow you, Cash.
Go that way. I get you want to be around people, but move your butt. I don't.
Look at this pumpkin, Cash. Ew. Has green warts on it. What does that one look like? Look at that, Oakley. It's a white pumpkin. That'd be a good one to color on. You want that, Oakley? A big pumpkin.
Or maybe there's a little orange one around. You want to look around over here? You can hold it. Here, give me the white one. Give Mama the white one.
Pumpkins. We got this weird one.
And
Cash got a small one, and that one's for Oakley. You like them?
Yeah.
What milk, Cash?
Yeah.
What did Oakley get? White milk? You got your donuts? Mama's got cider.
Yeah.
Oakley got a donut.
Yeah.
You like your donut too, Oakley? Eat it.